Hello. The purpose of this example is to explain a new quick Pallet Maker SQL feature, SQL or SQL. We have added a window that allows the user to produce advanced reports using the SQL or structured query language, which is very common for handling data on relational databases. Most of the information in QPM that you can find here in the software is stored in internal SQL databases. So extracting it is a great way to produce detailed reports or advanced reporting. For this example, we're just going to calculate a box load, a pallet load with boxes, and we start from the box on pallet window. From here, we will copy data from a spreadsheet, paste it, and we have a list of boxes. We select the pallet type, and we calculate the load. Here we see a result in which there are 57 pallets. We can scroll through them. We can select them all and also view a report. What we want to see right now is a summarized data list. So we have selected the results window, and we go to the window menu and we select SQL. Here, this window has two sections. The top part is where you insert the SQL code, and the bottom is where you obtain the results. So if we have, for example, a query that we produced earlier, we can copy it and paste it onto this window. Here is a select query, and we just click on enter, and we will produce a list of results. A table. Here in this case, what we were doing was just finding out the list of pallets with the number of boxes per pallet, the load length, the load width, the height, the weight, and the volume efficiency. Now, this is good for results, but we can also improve a bit the titles here. So we just use another query in which we change the names for the columns, and we assign them a more readable value. So we do the query again, and here we see ID, the ID of the pallet, just to separate them from the other one, total number of boxes, load length, load width, height, weight, and a volume efficiency.